World's biggest exchange, Binance faces investigation by IRS, Department of Justice. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance is reportedly facing an investigation by the US Internal Revenue Service as well as Department of Justice, according to report by Bloomberg. According to the report, officials from DOJ and the IRS have sought information from individuals with insight into Binance business, citing unnamed sources. Bloomberg's report noted that the federal agencies haven't accused Binance wrongdoing. Bloomberg reported in mid-March that Binance was facing an inquiry from the Commodity Futures Trading Commissions over whether the exchange allowed US residents to trade on its platform. Minutes after Bloomberg report became public via headlines newswires, Binance CEO tweeted, "So much for today. It's pain for someone and opportunity for others." That message was similar to one he issued in the wake of Bloomberg CFTC report in March. "We take our legal obligations very seriously and engage with regulators and law enforcement in collaborative fashion," a Binance spokesperson told. "We have worked hard to build a robust compliance program that incorporates with anti-money laundering principles and tools used by financial institutions to detect and address suspicious activity. We have a strong track record of assisting law enforcement agencies around the world, including in United States. We don't comment on specific matters or inquiries," the Binance spokesperson added. In recent months, Binance have sought out to beef its regulatory advisory team. In March, Binance hired a former US Senator Max Baucus as a regulatory advisor, and later that month, the exchange added 2 former members of the Financial Action Task Force to advisory team. As previously reported, Binance has faced regulatory security in Europe for its stock exchange token trading service. The offering drew public warning from regulators in Germany. So there is so much FUD in the crypto market. So before making any decision, please do your own research and then take a decision. If you are new here, I regularly post videos on cryptocurrency trading and analysis and early crypto updates. So subscribe to Finance Scoop, hit the like button. We are everywhere on social media with the name of Finance Scoop. Follow us where we are. See you in next video.